Good morning. I am the man, and welcome to Thunder and Lightning Vlogs. In today's episode, we need to talk about the Adirondack Thunder and also stats. Let's talk about the stats first. Our team record is 5-14. Now, what is the problem? Well, in my personal opinion, every player on the team can score, yes, but what I'm saying is we need guys like Gunnar Hughes back. We need Greg Wolf because they know how to score goals. And even Desmond Bergen. I went to a game once, and it was in overtime, and Desmond Bergen was in the penalty box. He came out and got the puck, scored. He scored, and we won. That's my point what I'm making. Now, most of this video is about it. It is only about speculation. Only. Now, if I will repeat that, if I was the head coach, I would get 3 former players back and do a full player trade, and I would get guys like Alexander Carrier. Here is the reason why. People at the Cool Insuring Arena love Alexander Carrier. I did a video a while back about Carrier going to the team down south of Savannah. And the team is the Savannah Ghost Pirates. He got cut. Now, where is he? We don't know. In my personal opinion, I'm not going to say this person's name, but the head coach, okay, he needs to sign Carrier. That's my personal opinion, because he knows how to fight. He knows how to score goals. But in my personal opinion about what I'm saying about stats, every game I go to, I have a brother. I'm not going to say his name. And he will give me a packet of stats. I will look at it and do homework on it, because I know everything about hockey. And I will repeat this. My father always told me about certain rules about hockey. And even the stats as well. That's how I learned from my father. That's what I'm saying. And I get these at the games. See, there's the players right there, and then stats over here. The thing, okay. Let's see. So this is like a older one. So, anyways, that's what I'm saying. Like, we need to win more games than 5 games. Which I said, like, I know each player I'm gonna read off their jersey number, not the person's name. Alright, now, let me find the guy who I'm talking about. Number 21. Now, he's a goal scorer. And now he is with the Utica Comets. I'm happy for him to be with that team because Utica is doing hot right now. And so is New Jersey. And that's what I'm saying to you guys. Like, you need to understand where I'm coming from about hockey. I live hockey. I play hockey on the PS4. That's what I'm saying. Because, which I said, my dad, he took me to my first hockey game a long time ago. I got hooked like that. That's what I'm saying. You need to understand one thing. Make it 4 things. Learn stats. And also, I said this in a previous video about what I'm talking about. You can be friends with a player if you want to. If not, you don't have to be. Well, I am. I can't say their names right now, and I'm not going to. That's what I'm saying. Stats is very important. That's what I'm talking about. Like for example, like number 11. Alright? 8 points. That's good. And look at the plus minus. Plus means good. Minus is bad. That's why we need a full player trade now for the Thunder, so we can be better and go into the playoffs. Because I want to see a championship in Glens Falls. I never saw a championship here in Glens Falls. And I will repeat this. The Adirondack, hold on, excuse me for 1 sec. The Adirondack Red Wings won 4 Calder Cups, okay? I didn't see them win the cup because I never went to the games because I was too young to go. Then we got the Phantoms. They never made the playoffs because they cannot play like a team. In the first year for the Phantoms, they fired their head coach. Then we got the Ice Hawks. One time they made it to the second round. No championships. No championships for Ice Hawks, Frostbite, and even the Adirondack Flames. We had a talent, but they cannot even be in the playoffs. I want to see a championship here. I know you guys do too. And I'm serious about this. It hurts. It breaks my heart for a hockey team of the Thunder to lose 14 games. Look at the other team below us, Norfolk. They lost 21 games and won 4. That's what I'm saying. I want to see a championship here, and I want to say that to you because I know that you guys want a championship on where I live. I am the man, and the man is always right because I know things better than anyone else. Because, as I said, my own father taught me about the rules, the players, and stats. And I want you to understand, I take everything seriously. I'll see you at the games. And for my local hockey team, let's win, boys.